Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Dragon Ball sparking zero communication error. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to follow some steps. Here I am in the Steam community, where one people says that I was a victim of random communication errors during battles and I solved it. The solution for me was downgrading Win 11 from 24S2 to 23S2. The 24S2 release got barely before DBSZ and seems like Bandai did not take this into account and literally Windows itself screwed the game over. I did it all, like BIOS update, reinstalling Windows 24S2, Ethernet DNS setting up, port forwarding, nothing worked till I went back to 23S2, as you can see. Then I play roughly 50 online matches without a single interruption since then. So this is the solution. Downgrading Win 11 from 24S2 to 23S2, as you can see. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.